Hello, welcome to 2.2. One of the most important concepts we will cover in our entire course comes from section 2.2, and that deals with x and y intercepts. To find x-intercepts, we have to set y equal to 0 and solve for x. For y-intercepts, we set x equal to 0 and solve for y. This concept, x and y intercepts, will be true for every single equation or function that we will ever have to graph for the rest of the entire semester. When in doubt and you need to graph, you can always come back to finding any x-intercepts by setting y equal to 0, solving for x, and setting x equal to 0 and solving for y to get any y-intercepts. So here's a short example. We have an equation x over 5 plus y over 3 equals 1. We can find the x and y intercepts very nicely for this equation. First, for the x-intercept, set y equal to 0 and solve. So we'll have x over 5 plus 0 over 3 equals 1. This is very nice because when we have 0 divided by 3, that term completely drops out and we're left with x over 5 equals 1. That's a nice linear equation to solve. We will multiply the left and right side by 5 and get that x equals 5. And really, the coordinate of the x-intercept is 5, comma 0, because y was 0, and when y is 0, 5 is our x component. For the y-intercept, we set x equal to 0 and solve for y. So 0 over 5 is 0, that term drops out. So we have y over 3 equals 1. We will multiply both sides by 3 and get that y equals 3. But in this case, 0 was the x component. And we have two coordinates that we can then create the graph. There's the x-intercept. The x-intercept is the coordinate that crosses the x-axis for the graph. And then the y-intercept, 0, comma 3. In this case, this equation happens to be a line, so we actually will connect these two dots with a line like so.